Each Copperloy railboard is custom manufactured to the exact dimensions of your dock. The following video illustrates how to get the exact required measurements using a line level that are critical to the fit and safety of your railboard. Failure to get precise and accurate measurements will make it non-usable and unsafe. Railboards cannot be modified or changed for height difference or length after being produced, therefore cannot be returned. This video is to demonstrate how to properly measure the A dimension from the face of the dock to the first inside rail. Ensuring lines are level is essential to making accurate measurements. Without correct A and B dimensions, the railboard will not function properly and will not be safe to operate. Only measure dock locations where the rail car will be loaded and unloaded. Both the A and B need to be measured at the same location. These dimensions must be taken at multiple locations 20 feet apart along the dock to accommodate the maximum and minimum variations in dock height. A horizontal measurement from the inside of the first rail to the face of the dock. Plumb the level from the inside of the nearest rail vertically. Measure from the level to the face of the dock. This is your A dimension. The level is pushed to the inside of the first rail, held plumb, and measure from the level to the face of the dock. The level must be plumb to get an accurate measurement. For a straight track, we require 3 measurements, 240 inches each side of the center of the railboard location. If the dock will be used beyond the 40 feet, include more measurements at 20-foot intervals. For an angled track, take the 3 measurements perpendicular to the tracks. When measuring a curved track, we require a minimum of 5 measurements taken perpendicular to the dock face, each 20 feet apart. For a curved track, the easiest and surest way to measure site locations is to measure when a car is spotted in place at the dock. C dimensions are used when a car is spotted. Measure the dock to the inside of the car wall at both sides of the car door, taking measurements at right angles perpendicular to the car. Measurements will be taken at any location a car will be spotted. Also record the internal width and internal length of the car as well as the open door width. Similarly, the best way to measure is when the rail car is spotted and then use the C dimension. Measure the dock to the inside car wall on both sides of the car door, and one at the center of the opening, taking measurements at right angles perpendicular to the car. Measurements will be taken at any location a car will be spotted. Internal width, internal length, and open door width all need to be recorded as well. Please reach out to us at 800-321-4968. It's best to call from the job site so we can walk you through the measurement process.